Wonder what's inside.
I wonder.
Ooh. A belt buckle.
Mm-hmm.
A real Super Jonathan superbelt.
Mr. Pete made that for you. Handmade.
Thank you very so much, Mr. Pete. Super Jonathan really super love it. Very, very much.
Yeah. Look at the belt.
With the letter J.
Yeah. But look at the belt. Look at the belt too. So take it out of the package.
Okay.
Right here. How you do it. Yep. Like that. You see? See what he did? He hand imprinted all of that.
Wow.
That design? Yeah. He handmade that.
So amazing.
Yeah.
So,
What do you think? That's so cool, right?
yeah, super cool.